Welcome to TeacherZahrakids. Please like, subscribe and share. Let's start. A for apple. 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 B for book. Book. C for cat. Cat. D for duck. Duck. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for gift. Gift. H for house. House. I for ink. Ink. J for jungle. Jungle. K for king. King. L for lion. Lion. M for moon. Moon. N for nest. Nest. O for orange. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. Rose. S for sun. Sun. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for violin. Violin. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for York. York. Z for zero. Zero. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.